Okay, here I am, about to climb all these steps to get to the beautiful Capitol State Building of Utah. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and we are here. Look at it. So beautiful. Here we are. Look at the city of Salt Lake. Here we are. About to enter right here. About to think I might want to enter the place, but I don't know if it's free or what's the deal here. So I'll let you guys know right now. Alright. Here I am about to enter, climbing these stairs of the state of Utah. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it says state of Utah, and here I am, right here, the official Capitol State Building. Here I am, climbing all these stairs. Let's do it faster. Okay. Here I am. This is the entrance. Whoa. Whoa, this is beautiful. It's amazing. Look at it. Beautiful paintings. The chandelier.